Welcome to the Mastercam 2019 Mill Essentials video training series tutorial number 7. In this tutorial, we will create 2D wireframe. Then we will use this wireframe to create a solid. Wireframe creation commands such as circle center point, line tangent, line parallel, rectangular shapes, trim, and fillet chains will be used. Solid creation commands such as solid extrude, chamfer, and fillet will be used. We will select a machine definition and set up the stock. A 2D high-speed dynamic mill tool path will be created to machine the pockets. A feature-based drill tool path will be used to machine the 4 holes. A 2D high-speed dynamic mill tool path will be used to machine the outside profile. Pocket will be used to finish the pocket walls. A contour tool path will be used to finish the outside profile. Backplot and verify will be used to simulate a step-by-step process of the tool's movements. Finally, we will post-process the file to obtain an NC file containing the necessary code for the machine. First, we will create 2 circles. Select Wireframe, and then select Circle Center Point. Change the radius to 1. And press the lock icon. Select the fast point icon. Enter the coordinates as -1.25, 0, and press enter. Press the fast point icon again, and enter the coordinates as 1.25, 0, and press enter. Then press OK to exit the command. Select Line Endpoints. Make sure Freeform and Tangent are selected. Select the first entity here, and select the second entity here. Then press OK to exit the command. Select Line Parallel. Select this line, and pick a point roughly here. Change the offset distance to 1.7 and press enter. Then press OK to exit the command. Select Trim Break Extend. Make sure the type is set to trim and select Trim 3 entities. Select this entity, and this entity. Then repeat the process on the other side. Press OK to exit the command. Next, we will create 2 rectangular shapes. Click the arrow under Rectangle and select Rectangular Shapes. Select the middle for the origin. Enter the width as 0.275 and the height as 0.75. Then press enter. Select the center point of this arc. Press OK and create new operation. Click the lock icon for width and height. Enter the rotation angle as 90 degrees and press enter. Select the center point of this arc. Then press OK to exit the command. Select Divide. Make sure the type is set to trim, and then select the lines inside of the shapes. Then press OK to exit the command. Click the arrow under Fillet Entities, and then select Fillet Chains. Select the chain here, then press OK. Change the fillet radius to 0.075 and press enter. Then press OK to exit the command. Click the arrow under Rectangle and select Rectangular Shapes. Change the entity type to obround. Make sure the origin is set to the middle, and click the lock icon for width and height. Change the width to 0.45 and the height to 0.2. Change the rotation angle to 35 and press enter. Then press the lock icon for width and height. Press the fast point icon and enter the coordinates as 0, 0.25 and press enter. Then press OK and create new operation. Press the fast point icon and enter the coordinates as 0, minus 0.25 and press enter. Then press OK to exit the command. Select Circle Center Point. Press the lock icon and change the diameter to 0.25 and press enter. Then press the lock icon again. Press the fast point icon and enter the coordinates as 1.25 minus 0.4, 0 and press enter. Press the fast point icon again. Enter the coordinates as 1.25 plus 0.4, 0. Press the fast point icon. Enter the coordinates as 1.25, 0.3 and press enter. Press the fast point icon. Enter the coordinates as 1.25, minus 0.3 and press enter. Then press OK and create new operation. Click the lock icon. Enter the diameter as 0.4375 and press enter. Then click the lock icon again. Select the center of this circle. Then select the center of this circle. Press OK to exit the command. Select the Levels Manager. Change the name for Level 1 to Wireframe and press enter. Change the level number to 2 and enter the name Solid. Select Home and make sure level 2 is selected. Then select Solid Color and select Red.